You know that feeling, slipping on FPV goggles and becoming pure motion. It's thrilling, but also tricky and sometimes tree crashy. Now, after the Avata and Avata 2, the DJI Avata 3 is rumored to change everything. If the leaks are true, we're talking major upgrades in design, camera, and smart features, blending cinematic quality with FPV excitement and control. Buckle up, because Avata 3 might just redefine the way we fly. Let's dive into everything we know so far. First, the physical form. The Avata 3 is rumored to evolve the ducted propeller design, becoming slimmer and more aerodynamic. This isn't just sleekness, it means more agility, efficiency, and potentially even shaving off weight to bring it under 400 grams. For nimble flight and less anxiety in tight spaces, this is a significant win. Now, the camera, the eye of the beast. The Avata 3 is rumored to leapfrog to a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor from Avata 2's 1x1.7-inch. This means vastly improved image clarity, richer color depth, and superior low-light performance. For pros seeking cinematic quality, this is invaluable. Rumors also suggest advanced color grading profiles like D-Log-M or even full RAW video support, giving you unparalleled flexibility in post. For motion, 4K video at 120 frames per second promises ultra-smooth slow motion with a wider 170-degree field of view, pulling you deeper into the FPV perspective. Your FPV connection is your lifeline. The Avata 3 could introduce the rumored O4 transmission system, promising improved resolution, even further reduced latency, crucial for precise control, and extended range, potentially pushing limits up to 15 kilometers. This means a more stable, responsive, and immersive flying experience. Expect updates to DJI Goggles 3 Pro 2 with better screens and improved ergonomics for comfort during long sessions. Battery life is also getting an upgrade. The Avata 3 could push flight times closer to a full 30 minutes thanks to more efficient motors and improved power management. More airtime, less time waiting. That's the dream. Upgraded propulsion systems are also rumored for increased speed and agility. FPV drones are prone to unplanned encounters. The Avata 3 aims to reduce those. It's rumored to include an upgraded obstacle avoidance system with omnidirectional sensors. A 360-degree obstacle detection feature would significantly reduce collision risks, making navigation in urban canyons or dense forests much safer. This is a godsend for beginners and a comforting safety net for pros. Beyond safety, the Avata 3 aims to be your smarter co-pilot. DJI may include AI-powered flight assistants, such as automated subject tracking and pre-programmed cinematic flight paths. Imagine selecting a subject and having the drone automatically execute a pro-looking droney or orbit shot with ease. Updates to the DJI RC Motion 3 controller could improve comfort and usability, and the DJI Fly app is expected to be updated with new features for quick edits and instant sharing. In terms of pricing, the DJI Avata 3 might be slightly more expensive than the Avata 2, possibly starting around $1,200 for the full combo. A standalone drone could be around $600 to $700. As for the official debut, rumors suggest late 2025, possibly in the fall. While none of this is officially confirmed by DJI, leaks from trusted insiders suggest development is well underway. In summary, the DJI Avata 3 looks like it could be a definitive game changer for FPV drones, With a larger, better camera, improved stabilization, longer flight time, stronger obstacle avoidance, and smarter, more user-friendly software, it promises to be the most beginner-friendly, yet incredibly powerful FPV drone on the market. Whether you're a hobbyist seeking immersive experiences or a professional looking for cinematic excellence, the Avata 3 promises outstanding performance. As always, we'll wait for DJI's official announcement to confirm all these juicy specs, but the early signs are incredibly promising. So, are you ready to elevate your FPV adventures? What are your thoughts on these Avata 3 leaks? Which feature are you most hyped about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more drone tech breakdowns, and hit that notification bell.